In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your orders using Wix. Let's dive right in and make sure your order management process is seamless and efficient. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you haven't done this already, head over to the Wix website and enter your login details. It's important to be logged in because this is where you'll access all the tools you need for managing your orders effectively. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This menu is your gateway to various features and tools within Wix. For handling orders, you'll want to look for the Sales option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new section that's dedicated to your sales activities. From there, select Orders. This section will display all the orders you've received through your Wix site. However, there's an important step to keep in mind. If you haven't already upgraded your site to sell your products, you'll need to do so. Upgrading allows you to view and manage your orders properly. It's an essential step, so ensure your site is set up for e-commerce before proceeding. Now, assuming you've got everything in place and you've clicked on Orders, you'll see a list of all your customer requests waiting to be managed. Find the specific order you wish to manage and click on it. This will bring up the Order Details page, where you have all the information you need regarding this particular transaction. On this page, if you look towards the bottom or top right, you'll spot the Mark as Fulfilled button. Clicking this button is an important step in closing this part of the sales process. It informs both you and the system that this order is ready for the next steps, such as shipping. Additionally, Wix provides an optional feature where you can enter tracking information for the order. This is particularly useful for both you and your customer, as it allows everyone to keep tabs on where the product is in the shipping process. Alongside this, there's the option to send a shipping confirmation email. This can be a simple yet effective communication tool to reassure your customer their order's on its way, building trust and transparency in your service. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage orders using Wix. Remember, staying on top of these processes not only helps in maintaining an organized business, but also enhances the customer experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.